Hello, I'm Gitendra Handa. Again, today we will be discussing on the levels of customer service. Now, we have already discussed what is customer service. Customer service means that you have to look after the customer's interests. You have to give him the right kind of order which he has given at the right time, at the right place. You have to fix his complaints. You have to give him service. You have to go and install the product. You have to ask him about the orders, and you have to deliver the orders at the right time and place which you had earlier given commitment. Now, this all is considered as customer service. Now, we also understood that customer service is not only a part of logistics, but it is a part of each and every working of the organization. It is also a main part of marketing activities and the sales management activities of the organization. So, let us see the level of customer service. Now, as far as we are concerned, we can define the level of customer service from three levels. These three levels are following. First level, as is shown in the figure, customer service as a philosophy. What I was talking about, the customer focused marketing. That means each customer service should be the philosophy of the entire organization. Entire organization should look into the customer service and thereby trying to satisfy customer by whatever they are doing. Their main aim or main orientation should be the satisfaction of the customer, whatever they are doing, whether they are producing a product, whether they are producing a screw. Maybe they must consider whether this screw, the customer will like that screw or will not like that screw. The screw is good looking or not. The screw, they should not see, the screw has certain things attached to it. We have not finished it properly, but it doesn't matter. It is not going to it is only going to affect the aesthetic view of the product, but actually the screw, it's doing its job. No, the customer may not like that. So the entire organization has to be focused on the customer orientation. Customer service as an activity, then we have then customer service as a performance measure. Activities, what are the various activities which we do in the customer service would come in this category. And customer service as a performance measure. As an organization, we have to measure our performance. Customer service can be used to measure our performance as an organization. Now, these are the three levels which we can see the customer service. Now, let us see at the first level what customer service is all about. Let us see this. Customer service as an activity. Customer service as a particular task a firm must accomplish to satisfy the customer's need. For example, order processing, billing and invoicing, product return, and also installing of the product. Customer service is activity related to the ability to coordinate and integrate activities so that the customer will be satisfied. Integrate all the activities which can satisfy the customer. That means asking the order from the customer, ensuring that the order is made and processed and is delivered to the customer at the right time, ensuring that the service is given, that is installation activity is performed at the right time, ensuring that if anything goes wrong, any complaint is there, that is handled properly with customer satisfaction. So these are all the activities of customer service. So we can further say what it all includes: delivery of the goods, packaging of the required goods in the appropriate container, delivery of the goods to the right place on the right time. Customer should be set to basically handle customer problems and complaints. All this is included in the service as an activity. Now this is one part of the service. Then we can go on to another part of the service, customer service as a performance measure. We can measure the performance, as I have already said, of the company or even of our entire logistic management system. Now we can see whether at the right time, at the right place, the product has been delivered, how many times we have adhered to giving the product at the right time and right place. We can check this on based on the number of orders we have received and see how many things we have delivered at the right place and right time, and how many things which we could not deliver at the right time. This can serve as a benchmark for our performance. The Lowell emphasizes customer service in terms of specific performance measures such as percentage of orders delivered on time. We can see the total number of orders, then how many percentage of the orders were delivered on time, how many were not delivered. This can be used as a performance check for the logistic department. We can also use this as a performance check for the entire organization. How effective is our organization going? Then we have number of order processed within acceptable limits. Of the time limits, how many orders we have done within the time which we had set already. Now this is all how we can check the performance measure with the help of the customer service. Then we have customer service as a corporate philosophy. The customer service should be made into a corporate philosophy, complete philosophy of entire organization. As I told you, customer service is not of logistic management only. It includes in sales management also. It is a part of marketing also. It may be part of production also, when the service engineer is trying to deliver the service to the customer. It is included. It should be included as a corporate philosophy. Good business believe that customer come first. This level treats the customer service as a philosophy which focuses on the customer satisfaction. The value added dimension is included as a goal of the corporate customer service philosophy in the organization. This is all about the levels of customer service. So we have seen that levels of customer service there are three levels of customer service: customer service as an activity, customer service as a performance measure, and customer service as a corporate philosophy. This is all for this lecture. We will be back with another lecture, dimensions of customer service. Okay, till then, goodbye.